It's Mac with 9 Before and their family, and we're here on the shortest day of the year in York to check out the York Christmas market. This should be a lot of fun, guys. Right now we're by the Clifford's Tower here in York. We've done a video about York before, so go check that out. But let's go enjoy this beautiful and magnificent Christmas market. It's a cold and brisk night. It rained all day, but at least it's clear up now. So no rain, but we will have to deal with a bit of wind. Wind is about 15-20 miles an hour. The twins are bundled up, but they were born into a family that travels. So we're gonna keep traveling. But this is exactly what I was looking for. Here we are at the Christmas market. So we're out here tonight. This is the last night for the York Christmas market. And we got out here. It is December the 22nd, right before Christmas. And the vibe is still really festive, right heading into the heart of the holiday season. I love the way the trees are decorated with the lights going up and down them. So what we're going to do, I'll tell you, we're going to walk through, we're going to take a look and see what all is here, see what all is for sale. And then we'll come back and pick up some items to purchase, to take home, and something to eat. But first, we're going to just walk through this market and see what all is here. York Cocoa Works. That looks nice. Some nice chocolates. One of our hacks for going out in this kind of weather is to take little hand warmers with us. All the kids have hand warmers in their pockets, and these are Blair's hand warmers. Just on nice chilly nights like this where it's cold but not overly cold, but just enough to keep your hands cool, these hand warmers really come in handy. Oh, I said I was gonna walk through, guys, but it's really hard for me to walk past these beautiful little Christmas ornaments. This is what I've been going for this year, a lot of beautiful felt ornaments. And I'm always looking for unique felt ornaments, always looking for nutcrackers, but I see a lot of cool little felt things here. I needle felt, so does my daughter. Let's see what all we can buy here. It looks really cool. Oh, there's a little Santa Claus. And these snowmen are really cool. I like these a lot. And then mice, because I love adding mice. We have an entire, I don't know what you call a group of mice, but we have a lot of them. A lot of really cool wool hats here. And these look really nice. I don't necessarily need one, but Blair might want one. I'll check with her. And there are some mitts, some mittens. Oh, these are really nice as well.
That's it. There we are.
Okay, so rainbow names. That looks really cool. I don't know how much success we'd have, but I'm pretty sure we can find a couple of my kids' names in there. So the other boys wanted to get them some nice little mitts with the fingers out. Let me see your mitts, Matthew.
Is his hands nice and warm?
Oh, he loves them. And his brothers demanded that they get some as well.
The small ones are down there.
All of the unique vendors selling wares, guys. That's my favorite thing in the world, to find unique little items, nicks and knacks, and wonderful little things that you may not need to survive, but you just want it because they're cool to have. It's one of my joys in life. So my kids have fallen in love with the gloves. The boys all have a pair, and now Blakely says that she wants a pair as well. What's that?
This is the third time you've had to go back.
Warm fingers.
What are you doing? Talking. Just a baby boy.
The vendor asked me, he said, how many do you got? Talking about how many children do I have? I'm like, I actually have 6, but the last 2, they're babies, so they won't need any. All right, the big 4 now have these cool little gloves, knitted. They look really cool. They're all very excited about it. From the Shambles, some potions and cauldrons. I'm gonna leave those potions alone. But there's some nice socks and mitts and things of that sort. Let's continue on down this beautiful Christmas market. Brown and blonde. Mixed brownies. Fudge. Oh, these are just owls. Look at this. This is really cool. Oh, and there's a whole little family hanging here. That's really cool. I'll definitely get some of these owls. And here's a larger family of owls. And here's an even larger family of owls. That's so exciting.
Those don't work particularly well for it.
Yeah, definitely gonna leave here with some owls. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at these magnificent ornaments.
Hi there.
Hello, hi. This all glass?
Yes.
All glass. Oh, this is beautiful. How much are the really big ones?
Well, that's 85. That one.
Okay.
That one's 65.
65.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm afraid my kids will break it. I'm going to go with a smaller one. Oh, but these are so beautiful. Yeah. There's so many unique stalls here. I've seen a lot of unique stalls, but this York Christmas market has some of the most unique and beautiful items I've seen at any Christmas market anywhere. Real pork scratchings. There's a lot of alcohol being sold here tonight. I can't really do anything with that. I'm driving, although I could take some home. While I've been enjoying myself, going to all of the different shops and looking at all the items, picking up way too much stuff, Blair took the kids down and they went and got some crepes. At least they're in line to get some crepes right now. I think I want to give me a nice sausage before I eat something sweet. I want a little savory before the sweet. Yeah, I think this is what I want, guys. A nice smoked bratwurst. That looks delicious. No, don't tell me it's sold out. Yeah. That looks delicious.
Can I get the food?
Wait.
Big man. Yeah. You know, I just said to Blair, I said it'd be really cool if there was a place to sell those German nutcrackers, because you know I have a massive nutcracker collection, guys. Check out the video if you want to see that. Christmas decorations. So I'll link to that. But I said it'd be cool if I gave a German nutcracker here. So she did a quick search, and there is a German nutcracker store here in York, but they're closing in like 15 minutes. So we're moving quickly through the Shambles, through this whole downtown district to try to get to the nutcracker store before they close. And here we are. This is exactly what I was looking for. The German Christmas market store. I can find this online, guys, but I can't get shipping to work out properly, but we're here in person. Let's go in.
So we got a little carried away buying nutcrackers and ornaments, but we love them, so we bought them.
So it's thinning out a little bit here as we walk through the Shambles. We're going to head back to the Christmas market in a few minutes. But first we're going to take a look at York Minster. Since we're so close, we have to get close to the cathedral. Oh, these are really cool. Look at these nice little houses that are kind of lit up. Those are really pretty. I hate that this shop is closed, but really great window design. So this is the true medieval section here of the Shambles, where you see the buildings leaning in overhead. Nothing is straight. It's beautiful. There's some really cool things here, like this nice fresh live plants. And this is part of the Shambles market. These guys haven't closed down yet, but this is really beautiful. And we're checking out more of the Christmas market. Walk through the Shambles. Let's check out a little bit more of the Christmas market here, guys.
I did not. I only eat ferment. I would eat peasant food. I'm 10 questions now.
More vendors here selling beautiful wares. We picked up so many great things today, but what are these? Oh, there's these nice little trolls. Is it okay if I touch that? Oh, that is so cool. Yeah, those are nice. And here's like, yeah, they're like little trolls. The larger A. We've had trolls. I don't think we've ever had little trolls in the house. You guys want a couple trolls? The Bigfoot one. They all have big feet. So yeah, we're gonna pick up a couple of these trolls, guys. We're getting them wrapped up now. That's really cool. And we'll now have a couple trolls as a part of our. We're gonna keep them with the Christmas stuff because that's where we bought them at. So, picked up a couple trolls. Babies are sound asleep. Okay, what else do we have here? Nice vendor section right here. There's some more chocolates. Those look delicious. Oh, these knitted flowers. This is what you want to show me? Oh, these are really pretty. That's very unique. Knitted flowers. We have a lot of Lego flowers, but not knitted flowers. Yeah, they're really pretty. I don't think I've ever seen knitted flowers before. Okay, we could do 3 for $24 since you like them. Which 3 do y'all like? Christmas trees and the apples. So who's knitting? All of this?
It's 8-9 months.
8-9 months. Oh, it's beautiful though.
You can follow my Instagram.
Okay, let me get that. Can I do that? We have a beautiful bouquet of knitted flowers. It's so cool. It's so unique. Here you go. This is for Blair. So the kids are asking for some hot chocolate. Here we have some loaded hot chocolate, which is something I've never heard of before. Okay, wow, it comes with a lot. Chocolate and orange, Oreo. So we're gonna get a little bit of hot chocolate here for the kids, some smaller kid-sized cups. And oh yeah, this is gonna be really good. Just hot chocolate with marshmallows. It's gonna be great. Of course, me and Blair are gonna drink some before we hand it to the kids.
They come with the peppercorn sauce anyway. Do you both want peppercorn?
Yep, we do.
28 grams.
Really enjoyed it out here tonight. The food was great. The food was great, y'all.
Kenzie?
No gloves for Kenzie.
No gloves for Kenzie? Oh, Malachi.